we will install the Microsoft Entra agent from our which is present on our local machine. And how we can install it? So guys, we have to install it on our local machine, means our Windows Server 2025 machine. So since the setup file is on our base machine, so what I will do, I will simply do the file network file share permissions. I will open this share on my local machine. See, I will open this network share on my machine, local machine, and from here I will go to the desktop, which is script folder is there in the same machine. You can see, guys. Okay, so this script folder is there. So after that, I have taken the file share network of DC01 machine, which is our server 2025. You can see here, guys. Okay, this is our server. So the server host name is DC01. Now I will copy the file. See, guys, when you see this PC, so and you can also open the properties here. Now I will copy this file which is present in my D drive downloads. I will open this in new tab in my local machine. So this is open, guys. Now I will copy this and I will paste directly here. See, it's getting copied. So now I will close this file share, and when you will refresh this DC01 machine, okay, guys, you will see that on the desktop folder we have successfully created the setup file. See, guys, here. So what would be our next task now? We will enroll the users, guys, now. Okay. So we will first install this on our Windows Server 2025 machine, which is our virtual box, and because now after that we will enroll the users in our Office 365, guys. Okay. So let's we'll proceed. Microsoft Entra Connect Health status wizard is opening. Active Directory domain services. You have to also what all identity we have to do. It will here clearly monitor the. It will ask for proxy agent, and let's see proxy server for agent connection, IP address, federation service. So what all service we have to sync that we can give here. Just I will click on next, and I agree to the licensing terms and condition install. So it's installing to modify the proxy settings. Use these commandlets from a new elevated PowerShell window. Okay. Let's see, guys. So now you will wanted to sign it Microsoft Entra ID tenant to register the agent. Now, guys, since we have our Office 365 users, okay, so now we have to log in to Entra ID admin portal, which is this Entra.microsoft.com. This we have to log in where we need to log in this on our machine. This is my base machine where I have logged in with the Entra ID portal. Okay, and this is my agent ID. So now this I will have to log in into our Office 365 server on our on-premise server, which is the Oracle VirtualBox machine. Once it gets installed, it guys. Okay, so let's update it. Now after it will prompt it, we'll have to wait for some time. Once it's prompted for assigning us to Microsoft Entra ID connect. So guys, when we try to install that agent in our virtual box, that was not installed successfully because I think that was not the correct agent. So we'll delete it from here, guys, because that was Microsoft Entra Agent Health Connect agent, where after the installation of the enrolling the users, you can check the agent status. But however, we are more bothered about Microsoft Entra ID Connect features. So I will log into my on-premise Microsoft Entra ID and Admin Connect portal. There we can go to Cloud Sync, and there we will download this provisioning agent and accept the terms and condition, guys. Okay. So after that, what we will do, there is a list of active agents also. See the files I have already downloaded. Now, 2 times it got downloaded. So wait, I will close this and open this. Okay. So actually, this is the main portal where we have to install it. So I will go to download location, guys. I will explore. Okay, so this Microsoft Agent ID, which is use this, close it. Now this I will copy to AD Connect Provisioning Agent. This I will copy to my our desktop or our virtual box. Okay, guys. Here I will not install it. So, yes. Okay. So I will install it here. Okay, here I will install it. Desktop users and administrators. Okay. So here, what all things are there, I will do it on my local machine. So this thing I will do here, and here I will do. And I will open a new window, and then here I will do DC01. So basically, we are calling the file share, and here we will call the users, the administrator, desktop, and from here we will copy the agent here to our desktop machine. Okay, once this get installed, we will be able to see it now, and the virtual box, and here I will install it now. Here when I refresh it, okay guys, we are good to go with AD Connect Provisioning Agent. Now I will run it as an administrator. So what we are doing, guys, we would be enrolling the users now in our Office 365 in our cloud portal by logging in the and provisioning and IG cloud sync we are doing, guys. Okay. So after that, we will be, able to sync in the configuration, guys, here, because we have to first install it. So we'll install it. I agree to the enter provision agent. So once this will install the Microsoft Azure AD Connect provisioning agent on our virtual machine, we will be able to, manage the users list of active directory users. So this is Jane Smith and John Doe. They too will see on our Microsoft Active Directory users or Office 365 Admin Center when we log in. Right. Here, when you use active users, so admin.microsoft.com, here you will see this list of users. So we will stay connected, guys. Once it gets installed, we will be able to see it, the online provisioning of users. Okay, guys. AD Connect provisioning agent is in progress. Is the agent is Microsoft AD Connect Entra Connect is there. So it will sync the users from our Active Directory users and computers to our Entra admin portal. Now we will be following this wizard to complete the installation. Okay, welcome to provisioning users. So guys, this provisioning, I see the video is getting more lengthy. So we will, do it in our next lab for this configuration of this wizard, guys. Thank you for watching.